Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Google officially launched Firebase Studio. It's an AI powered development tool that lets you build full stack app just by describing what you want. Seriously, you type in what you need and it generates the UI and the backend. And it even hooks everything up with Firebase services like Firestore, authentication, and cloud functions. Right now, it's in preview and completely free to use. You get 3 workspaces or up to 30 if you're in Google Developer Program. Let's take a closer look at what it can do. But first, you need to understand what a prototype is. A prototype is like a rough draft that helps you build a final version of an app or website. It's like something to start with. Later, you can make your own changes to it. Now let's try Firebase Studio. Accept the terms and conditions. And here we are. My Google account is already logged in, hence it didn't ask for Gmail. Now, this is what the interface looks like. This is a preview version. Here you write the prompt. Some of the examples are shown here. You can also attach an image like upload a rough idea of a UI or a screenshot and tell it to create a UI similar to the image. It will do it for you. You can create a new workspace. As I said, it's limited to 3 workspaces only. Next, we have import a repository where you can import a Git repository or even upload your own project to modify the code or add additional code. Then these are the services that Firebase Studio use such as Go, Python Flask, Java, .NET, Android Studio Cloud, Flutter, Angular, Next.js, Node Express, Gemini API, GenKit, Astro, MongoDB, and React Native. Now let's write the code to create a food delivery app. Click on prototype with AI. As I said, it's a prototype. It will give you a start. So don't have a lot of expectations from it. But look, it has given our app name as Swift Bytes, highlighting the features and style guidelines like color palette, layout, typography, iconography, and animation, which is impressive. Click on the prototype the app. This is where you will find the code. And these are all the code files. And a little later, it will generate a UI, which is a basic template of restaurants and their menu. To be honest, could be better. Now let's try another prompt. Create an app like Spotify clone in Android Studio. Soundwave is the name of the app, which is by the way cool name, with features like song list display, playback control, and again style guidelines. Nice. Let's prototype the app. This is what it looks like. We have 3 songs, where song 1 is playing with playback controls. I guess if we use a 2.0 Gemini model, then it might look better. Let's try creating something functional. So I will write create a to-do list app in Android Studio. It has given the name Taskmaster with 3 features: add task, mark complete, and task display. Also with its style guidelines. Click on prototype the app. This is what the UI looks like. A simple to-do list where you can write a task with its description. And click on add task. And look, here it is. We can update the task, mark is complete, and also we can delete it. How cool is that? You can view the code by clicking on this file. And to have a more precise look, you can click on switch to code. Here, your app literally opens into a studio-like IDE where you will find all the code files with the web UI. These are all the options available on the sidebar. You can open the code by clicking on the src, app, and page.tsx. TSX stands for TypeScript, basically a React file. You can modify the code and see the changes on the UI by reloading it. Nice! The tool claims that it makes app development faster, smarter, and way more accessible. It kind of gives you a start, but trying it out myself and also looking at all the feedbacks, I gotta say it's not quite there yet. The concept is solid, but the execution kinda rough. The AI still struggles with more complex logic, and sometimes it doesn't fully understand what you are asking for. You likely find yourself rewriting or fixing a lot of code it generates. Long story short, Firebase Studio has potential, but right now it itself feels more like a prototype. So don't worry, it won't take your jobs. Do give it a try and let me know your thoughts in the comments. So yeah, that's it for the video. If you're new to this channel, then please consider subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.